Pynkupbor ka Batese TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Ka Office Jonga District School Education Officer West Jingtip Hills Kala Rakhi Yakasi Karpang Jongki Nonghikai ne ka 63rd Teachers Day Celebration 2024 Haka Jialang Kabalalong Haka District Library Auditorium Mentong Joai Haka Santarik Unailor Arjab Sao Uba Lakman Rumbui Ubadeu MLA Jonga Amlarem but Chief Advisor ka Sorkar Jalla Ulalong kum ukongsan Haka Jiadon Lang ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Kong Bibla ka District School Education Officer West Jingtip Hills ka Kong APCM Nalor ki Nonghikai bat ki Khynnah Skul. Ulakman rumboy haga jia keren ulayaro yu usenyang bat ya ka jinglen ladi jong ki Nonghikai ban sandar ya ka jingem jong ki Khynnah Skul bat ula banjur ba ka jehikai kam de shu ka kam ka basuk. Hynrei ka de ka kam ka badawa ya ki Nonghikai omtang ban ai Jingtip Hynrei ban Pynkupbor ya ki Khynnah Skul bat ban yalam ya ki ban long ki nongsong snong ki badon ka jingget kli ha kani ka jing rakhi la Pynkupborom da ka khusnam District Award ya ki Nonghikai ki bakan thop nadu ka kardan higher secondary but secondary level but layo pdang da ka Kong Diamond Paswet Assistant Lecturer Government Boys Higher Secondary School Haka Kerdan Upper Primary School layo pdang da uba I Gasa Headmaster Krangblang Government Upper Primary School Haka Kerdan Lower Primary School layo pdang da uba Pratap Singh Khongla Head Teacher SR Manor Memorial Government Lower Primary School Sokha Yaka Khusnam Best Scout Master layo da uba Carefully Gasa Assistant Scout Master Joai Open Scout Troop Bat ka khusnam Best Guide Captain layo pdang da ka Kong Grikorisa Sana Guide Captain Lisi Pearl Guide Company.
It is not always the profession work that is most important, but also we learn from our teachers how to be kind, how to be cooperative, how to teach, how to tolerate, and how to be leaders in society. It need not be that everyone will be a person who will achieve only in the academic or in their profession life. However, there will be those who are good as those who are good in the community, those who will help others to be better people, those who will look after the old and the young. So these are all kindness, understanding, are all the nourishment and the nurturing that has been given to us when we are young. And this in turn will help us to grow and to become better people.
We know what is the role of the teachers and how the teachers shape the society and how the teaching committee has struggled from time to time in fulfilling that profession. Teaching is no more the 9 to 3 job or the routine job or routine profession. Teaching nowadays is a very challenging because we have to teach the student to get knowledge, to build the character in them, more importantly, to empower them to face the world today. The student of Joai Presbyterian High School have demonstrated how the young mind are facing the difficulties in this today's life. They have to face many challenges, anxiety, depression, so on and so forth. Government school teachers, let us introspect. Why? There must be some reason. We should speak out our mind. Why? And is very sad. I'm not pointing finger at anybody, no. I am the teachers in government secondary school, high secondary school, boys or girls, or in Nonghikai secondary school or Sokha high school. But I will not send my children to government school. I will draw my salary from the government school, but I will send my children to the private school. Why? Because private school, they teach better. So we have to introspect as something wrong somewhere. And it is our collective responsibility. Because what is the use of setting government schools if the result is not according to expectation? If the parent don't trust the government school, who will trust? If the teachers who are teaching in government school and still sending her children to private school, who will trust that school? So, it is a collective. We have to find that there is something wrong, and this can be corrected. No, it is not that we cannot correct it. We can correct it. There's nothing impossible if we have the mind to correct it. But first we have to recognize, to take responsibility if there is any wrong somewhere. So my dear teacher, today is the Teacher's Day. I wish also let us introspect the way forward, how we'll teach in the years to come, how to adapt ourselves with all the digital teaching, how to adapt ourselves with all the technology which we have to teach the student. We have to assert themselves. We have to promise ourselves that whatever we do today, we can do better tomorrow. That is the slogan which we should instill in ourselves, that we will do more. My dear friend, teaching community, principals, and educationists, you are very valuable for our society. Let us work together. I urge the students, you are very creative, and sometimes you know more, you know before what your teachers know. Work hard. There is no shortcut to success. And as I said before, now whether student or teachers or anybody, we have to learn, relearn, train, retrain. We have to adapt ourselves if we want to be successful. And I'm sure collectively we will do our best to bring the best for our young kids, the best for the future.